The new PMBoK focuses and provides a context for value delivery, governance, project functions, the project environment, and project management. There are five broad sections laying out the foundation for developing a system for value delivery. And these are creating value, that describes how projects operate within a system to produce value for organizations and their stakeholders. Organizational governance systems, that describes how governance supports a system for value delivery. The functions associated with projects, that identifies the functions that support projects, and the project environment, that identifies internal and external factors that influence projects and the delivery of value, and the project management considerations, that identifies the ways portfolios, programs, projects, and products relate.